After connecting your new dishwasher's power cable, it's time to attach the hot water supply. There are some requirements to keep in mind. It's important that your water pressure and temperature fall within these ranges. This will be no issue for most residential installations. Water pressure below this range can cause dishwashing cycles to abort and an error code to display. And water temperature below this range can affect cleaning performance. At low temperatures, detergent may not dissolve, and cycles will take longer to complete. In many installations, it will be necessary to connect a 90-degree fitting before attaching the water supply hose. Angle this toward the sink. Feeding the hose through the hole in the cabinet, screw one end onto the water supply and the other end to the dishwasher inlet. Secure this by tightening with a wrench. Be sure to open the water supply for 3 minutes before proceeding, so that you can check for leaks. Water leaking from a loose or damaged hose is an electrical hazard. It can also cause an error code, along with a mess. If you find a leak, turn off the power and water supplies to the dishwasher. Now, plug in your dishwasher, if necessary.